Hello everyone. So today I am going to share you what is a IAM service in Google Cloud Platform. So IAM stands for Identity and Access Management, is a service using Google Cloud Platform. So in this service you will just learn about how you can just give the access to someone on your project level, on your folder level, as well as organization level. So after creation the free account, you will find out this type of free interface on your Google Cloud Platform. And I have created GCP Data Engineering as a free trial account project. And you will also find out this type of page after creating the project. So you will, in the left side, you will find out three dots. In the three dots, you will find IAM and admin, where you will just go and find out IAM. So IAM stand for Identity and Access Management, where you can just give someone access on your project, organization, as well as folder level. So there are some rules you need to just give according to your requirement. So there are three types of rule mainly stands for IAM: basic rule, predefined rule, as well as custom rules. So how you will find all types of rule if you want to give the access to someone. So in the same left side you will find out rules. You need to just click on rules, and these are all type of rules where you will just give to user according to your requirement. So I am going first of all show you what is basic rule. So after filter, you will find out used in, and you need to type project. So basic role contains editor, owner, and viewer role. So let me just show you how editor, if you are giving someone editor permission, so how many types of permission he or she has. Let me just click it. So 11,034 assigned permissions has someone if you are giving the editor role on your project. So he can edit, modify uh, on your project all the services as using of Google Cloud Platform with 11,034 assigned permission. So let me just show you again another another one. You need to click it use in, and after that projects, project. When you will click the project after editor, you will find out owner. So owner is a main owner. If you are making someone main owner, so he has a more than editor role. Like earlier, we have seen 11,034 assigned permissions. Here you will find out 12,516 permission with owner, means he would also honor, as well as you are the main owner, and he would also honor of with this permission. So he has than more permission assigned permission like 12,516 using 16 permission, where he can manage all the services, all the permission in your GCP as well as project level. So let me just show you again the third one, viewer one. So viewer can act only view the service. He cannot edit, modify, or anything anything. He cannot make any changes. So let me just show you. Like viewer has very less access, assign access. If you are giving someone viewer access, so he has permission of 5,552 permission with using of these kinds of services. So how you can just give someone, let me just show you. Again come with IAM, and this I am a owner of this current free trial account. If I want to give someone access using the IAM Google Cloud Platform, how you can just give it. Suppose I am using my master account. This is my master account, and I have another account. I am just going to show you. This is my another account, like nikhil edofficial@gmail.com. I am copying this and I want to show you how you can give the access to someone in Google Cloud Platform project level. So I am just I am an owner of this project and I want to just give the viewer role how you can just give it. Let me just show you. So currently this person does not have project. Suppose my project ID, you can just note it this, and I am using current project ID as GCP Data Engineering with BED bit, but this user does not have access BED. He has only two project access. Let me just show you how you can just give the access. So here you'll find out in IAM grant access. You need to just click it grant access, and in principle means email ID. You need to just put your email ID so it automatically show your name, and after that you can assign the role. Here you'll find out basic role, custom role, as well as predefined role, another predefined role. So I am giving the currently basic role, so I am giving the viewer role, so viewer role, and after that I am just save it. So in IAM you will just see viewer role. In role you will find out viewer, and whatever principal you means email ID you have provided, it will also show. Let me just check we have access of same project or not. BED project. So currently I have given the BED project. So let me just go with, and let me just refresh it. Like it will take some time to refresh. Still not. Let me just show you he got it or not. It will take some time. Let me just show you. So let me refresh this again. It will hardly take 1 to 2 minutes to uh, give assign access to someone. So let me just see still it's gave or not. Like still we have a two projects ID earlier we had. So we need to come in all. After all, you will find out BED bed projects we have defined it. Both the projects name are similar. That's why I am making the difference with project ID BED. So BED we got it as we have given the access of viewer access. So let me just create anything how it will enable me to do something to create or not. Let me just create cloud storage. Viewer means you can only view the access. You cannot do anything. And let me come with bucket. And after bucket, let I am unable to create because of I have a permission only the viewer. So you need the permission for the action. Here you will see create option is blur. So this is the way you can just give the access to basic access. If I am just giving another access, let me just show you editor access how it is work. So I am in this master main account and I want to just edit this access, and I want to give custom, not custom, editor access. So editor he can access all the services, and let me just refresh this one, as well as let me just check another user has editor access. Again, it will take some time to refresh it because I remove the viewer access and make editor access. So still I am unable to create any project because it will take some times to refresh it. Let me again refresh and let me wait. So here you'll find out like create option is now enable after giving the editor role. So there is second basic role editor I have given to this user. This is me for another email ID, and I have given this user as an editor. So here I am just find out earlier it was blur in viewer access. Now you will find out enable it. It enabled me to create another means IAM option. I can create with the using of editor role. I can create a bucket. So how you can make it? I click on create bucket. I'm using just test bucket 1 2 3. With this name I'm creating the bucket. So you will see it enable me to create a bucket, and now I am created the bucket. Let me again click on bucket, and you will find out I created the bucket with US reason, and it is that showing the time like 5 Jan 2026. Sorry, 4 Jan 2026. So let me just show you. Editor also can delete the bucket. So it is dangerous sometimes because when you are giving the access, full access like an editor owner, so he has the more powerful, role. He can also delete your uh, other project bucket also. So don't give the editor access, always give the custom role access. So I'll show you how you can just give the custom role access. So let me just show you how you can just delete the bucket using the editor. So click on delete, and here you need to just copy and just paste it and just click on delete. So you can just see it with the editor access. You can just create on delete button also, and you can have access to delete the bucket, as well as you can also use the another services with the using of editor rule. So I hope you understood the things. Let me just show you how you can make a custom rule. So let me just remove this. Let me just remove this editor one. You can find out delete rule and save. And how you can make a custom role. So click on the roles. How you can make it. So let me just show you. So here you'll find out this type of interface, and here I want to create a custom role. So for custom role you need to just create role. Let me refresh it. Yes. So I need to just give custom role 1 2 3, and you need to just check on general availability, and you need to also give the ID for this. So I'm copying the same ID, and I need to give the permission. So I'm giving the custom permission. So how you can make it? Suppose I want to give someone to storage bucket, but he does not have delete the storage bucket. He can only permission have to create everything he has without the delete storage bucket. So how you can make it? With the custom rules. So this is a best practice. You can just make it. So you can just check it. Storage bucket here. Storage. Yeah, storage admin is here. So its storage admin has all the permissions. So in this, you can just check all the permission. It has 92 permissions. So we need all the permission. So we click all the permission we need because of all the storage permission we need. Let me just click. It will take some time to make custom role, but once you will make the custom role, you can easily give someone to very easily another level of access using the IAM service. So all the permissions I take means I in the storage admin I want all the permission related to storage, and but I don't want delete one, so I'll just filter out delete and click enter. So 14 14 there are 14, these are the 14 permissions which we do not want to give our user, means he or she cannot delete the bucket as well as object. So I am untick this one and now click add. So I have earlier 92 and now I have a 72, and in this 72 you will find out there is no delete option is there. So let me just show you create. It's created like custom, we created the custom role 123. So let me just again go with IAM. Now this time we are giving the same user with custom role. So again, earlier we had to role creation comes with grant access and principal. Principal means your email ID. So earlier we were giving Nikhil TU at the rate gmail.com. So this user we wanted to give the custom role. So you can just check a role, whatever role you made in the custom, you will find out. So current we made the custom role 123 with storage bucket. So when I'll click save, means this user has the storage bucket, all the services, means he can just access all the object as well as he can just make a bucket. But we we revoke one thing, he cannot or she cannot or user cannot delete anything from the storage bucket. So let me just show you. Let me just refresh this one, our master page, as well as let me just go with here, as well as, yeah, we have option to create one. Let me just show you. We will make the same test bucket 123 and just create it. Earlier while we giving the editor one, so we can just delete our bucket. So this time we created the custom rule. So let me just show you, we cannot delete the bucket. So here you'll find out delete option is not enable, it's blur because it's showing the delete selected bucket. Project owner means it's asking for the permission storage bucket delete permissions. And so this is the way you can make the custom rule for any services. If you want to make the services of virtual machines, so you can just give user to someone, he or she can create a virtual machine, but he cannot or she cannot just delete the your current virtual machine or your earlier virtual machine. Here you will find out he current current bucket also he unable to delete, and as well as earlier your most important bucket or your earlier project bucket also unable to just delete one. So let me just go with same page. So we are in the same page, and now I'm going to show you how you can just give a predefine a role. So predefine role means role that provided by the Google Cloud Platform by IAM service. So here you can just make your delete your custom rule, and now I want to just give the role of storage admin, and we'll check how many roles assigned to storage admin. Storage ad. So let me just show you. Storage admin has 92 permissions with all the delete, create, and all the predefined permissions. It is not the custom permission, it is all the permission we can just make it. So let me just give our user storage admin. So editor has more uh, permission than storage admin. So do not get confused. Grant access principal, you need to just type your email ID, and now you can just select the role. So I'm using search of storage admin. So here you'll find storage admin and then click save, and let's refresh our main page. Yeah, and let me just check our main page got storage admin access or not. So let me just create it. So here you'll find out when I'll click earlier, the delete option was disabled in the custom role because we did not give the user delete permissions. Now storage admin have full access of storage bucket, and he or she can able to delete the bucket as well as your object inside the storage using the IAM service. So here you'll find out he is now able to delete it using the IAM service. So I hope you can understood all the concept, and if you want to just find GCP IAM permission. So in the IAM permission, uh, let me just show you. Yeah, so here you will find out all the rules, like we can just use admin as well as different type of roles we can just get, like earlier I explained viewer, editor, owner, this kind of roles you can find out. I hope you understood the video as well as you understood the GCP concept. Please follow our channel as well as subscribe our channel for more video.